Hello friends, in this video I am going to provide the answer of assignment 4 of NPTEL course of non-conventional energy resources. So let's start our video. Let's look at the comment given over here. More than one option may be right. Partial marks are awarded if only some of the correct option are selected, and no marks are awarded if only one wrong option is selected. So let's look at our first question. Solar energy spectrum is consist of electromagnetic radiation and it is based on blank nature of the electromagnetic radiation. It is commonly based on a dual radiation, wave nature and particle nature. So wave nature is the right answer, and I don't think so atomic is the right answer. So I select only one option. All surface at a temperature above the surrounding give out previously absorbed and thermal energy. Third question is two copper tubes of different diameters painted black are used in two solar water heater setups, assuming they are running at a full capacity. Both copper tubes will increase the temperature of water at the same rate. This is the false statement. Which parts of electromagnetic radiation is used to understand about the star composition? It is the X-ray. X-ray move faster than the radio waves. Commonly both are the electromagnetic wave, and electromagnetic wave are travel at a speed of light. So this statement is false. Flat plate collector are made up of metals with a high thermal conductivity, metals which can absorb heat easily and transfer the heat through conduction, and also a clear glass. A copper tube based flat plate collector is best when used for a water heating purpose and residential purpose. Parabolic through collector does not require a day-long tracking and hourly tracking. Copper tube enclosed in the glass case that is not designed for tracking is usually a little longer in the west to east orientation to fulfill the capture solar radiation. This is the true statement. The next question is the increasing order of sunlight concentration is. So right, for this question right answer is B. These are the all 10 answer of this 10 question. These answer may be right or may not be right. According to me, these answer are right. If there is any update about this answer, I will provide it in the comment section. So at the last date of this assignment submission, do not forget to check out the comment section of this video. So thanks for watching.